Hey there, ready to dive into 8x8? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to master calls, messages, and video meetings. First, head over to login.8x8.com or open the 8x8 Work app on your device. Sign in with your business email and password to get started. Once you're in, check out your main dashboard. It's your hub for all things communication. Want to make a call? Just click the phone icon, type in a number or contact name, and hit call. You can easily mute, transfer, or even record your calls if you need to. Now let's chat. Click on the Messages tab to connect with your teammates. Share files and create group channels for seamless collaboration. Need a video meeting? Just click on Meetings to start or join a conference in seconds. You can share your screen, record sessions, and even invite guests from outside your team. To really get the most out of 8x8, download the mobile app for iOS or Android. Enable notifications and sync your calendar for those all-important meeting reminders. And that's a wrap. You're all set to use 8x8 for your business needs. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.